when Africa's dry spell begins. The astonishing Carmine Bee-eaters come to Zambia for their annual breeding season. They are looking for broad, vertical sandbanks, like this one on the Luangwa River. They arrive in their hundreds, ready to dig deep nesting tunnels, nearly 2 meters in, where they will lay their eggs and raise their chicks. The tunnel maintenance is a constant activity at the colony, and one can literally see sand flying as they dig away. It's a spectacular carnival of colour, a must-see for any nature enthusiast.